This part is like basketball.
Yeah.
We're about to be seniors in 2 days.
I'm gonna stop.
Watching High School Musical 3.
Oh gosh.
That's adorable.
We're going to the Jonas Brothers! Yeah! Last homecoming, not as an alumni.
I don't wanna start a problem, but I have to say
Start my senior year of college
need
tour.
to get away.
That's crazy.
I know that it's good for you. You've always needed more.
Happy game day.
Oh my gosh, do they have the kids girls?
What do you have to say now that you're born? Little babies are born.
So happy to be here.
Good morning. Happy day.
Miss you.
Hello weekend. Things about to die.
You pointed it up like.
Hey. I'm about to have my senior spotlight.
We talk to each other like we're still
That is
kids, like
crazy.
living life on stage. Something about the way we surround
Happy first day of senior
trace our
year.
age. 'Cause in my hands I see the veins that pump my father's blood. At what point did the good old days stop hitting like they should?
She's like,
I know that I can't stop you.
hey.
If you go, just
1989. Weekend. I remember when senior spotlights felt literally so far away. And now, what's that like? Here's got great grandma here. Last home game. I'm literally gonna cry. Got my Cardinal socks on. Ready, I'm ready.
Hey, big little reveal coming soon.
Zoom in right there.
They say we're young and we don't know. We won't find out until
It's
we grow.
Christmas time. Last Christmas in
Well, I don't
Louisville.
know if all that's true. 'Cause you got me and baby, I got you.
Look. Got my tree.
Baby, I got you, babe. I got you,
Where's Josh
babe.
Jamal? Christmas decorating. We slayed.
They say our love won't pay the rent before it's earned. Our money's all been spent. I guess that's so we don't have a plot, but at least I'm sure of all the things we've got. And babe,
Merry Christmas Eve.
I got you, babe.
Happy New Year!
I got you, babe.
This is my last time ever packing up to go back to college. Last winter
I
break.
got flowers in the
Last time
spring.
packing up to go
I
back to
got
school.
you to wear my ring. And when I'm sad, you're the clown. If I'm scared, you're always
Last day,
around.
last first day ever.
Don't let them say your hair's too long, 'cause I don't care, with you I can't go wrong. And put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill or mountain we can't climb.
About to go see Mean Girls on my birthday.
Babe.
It's like Movie 2.0.
I got you, babe.
My last
I got
day.
you, babe.
21.
I got you,
So much younger
babe.
than 22, for real.
I got you to hold my hand. I got you to understand. I got you to walk with me.
We have our first
I
big day
got
of the
you to talk
snow.
with me. I
About
got
to go
you
to
to
maybe my
kiss
last
goodnight.
men's basketball
I
game
got
ever.
you to hold
Greek Sing Day.
tight. I got you
2009. There's a giving what you pay.
to love me so. And babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe.
Today is the beginning of spring break. I leave for Belize tomorrow, but it's Elisa's birthday. She's not home yet.
Crying never did nobody no.
Bye guys, it's time to see.
Also,
Slay Belize. So true.
Guys, my favorite part was snorkeling. Another sleigh. What do they say? They say subscribe below.
We're at the tents. Being Unwritten by Natasha Bedingfield for karaoke. I'm getting my first round of grad pics today. This is crazy. Oh my god.
Laughing sometimes does
I'm
somebody
graduating
some
soon.
good
This is nuts. I'm literally in shambles over this. This is
That's why
Tomorrow is basically my senior prom. It's my sorority formal, giving 2000s,
that's why
getting ready for formal, watching like people prom. My last time in college, getting ready for something. Guys, is it the night of nights? Hey, it's solar eclipse day. We're 99.8
loving never did me
totality, or 98 or something. One of the totalities.
This is like looking at Medusa through a mirror.
Minutes away.
Or through an iPod.
Minutes away. It's getting dim outside. I'm trying to take a video of the solar eclipse for you, camera.
I've been trying to take a video like as
If I didn't capture that, my deepest apologies. This is crazy. Guys, how was it? How was the experience?
I rate it an 11 out of 10.
lying never
Once
did
in a
me
lifetime.
no good.
Everyone just like stopped for their day. It was so cute.
Know how.
To look at the sun together. Slay! The last of the birthdays to be spent in this apartment is happening this weekend, which means the year and my college experience is almost over. But Allison, hey girl, your birthday's in 2 days. All of your friends have been working diligently on making you a book bouquet.
Day after day. Wait. Nothing's changed.
Today starts my last week of school ever. My last week as an undergrad. Job interviews today. Today is Tuesday and my last full week of undergrad classes. I am going to see friends' capstone projects today. I have my last ambassador office hours ever. Fashion inspiration today is the one and only Diana Spencer because she's my style icon always. But the weather was great except the fact that I'm graduating, so. No, I'm just kidding. I'm very lucky and very grateful, but it's sad. It's my last day of my internship. Happy Wednesday. I have my last college class ever today. Classes end on Monday, but I don't have any on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so today's Thursday. The last college class I will ever be in my undergrad career, and it's philosophy of film. And I am like very upset about it. It's really sad. We're watching the Lorax. Oh, happy Earth Day. Happy Earth Day! Do you think we have enough popcorn?
No, not nearly enough. I didn't pop enough.
Happy release day! This is the 7th album I've gotten to experience in college, and that is magical.
You know it's not the same.
We'll never be this young again, listening to Firework by Katy Perry, watching the fireworks. Slay.
You know it's not the same.
Whoa!
You know it's not the same.
Senior day, happy senior day. Guest star Katie Beth.
Hey everyone, it's senior day. Senior send off. Say hi, Logan.
No idea.
Yeah, we don't
I don't know
know.
what it is. You guys, anything that happens, they just gave us a surprise senior prep ceremony. Do you know how criminal that is? We're all sobbing.
Happy to be.
Everybody wave. We graduate in 4 days. How many 4 days? 4 days? 4 days. Graduate in 4 days. Everybody say hello. Watching High School School. Bye. Our final walk around campus before graduation. Bye, campus.
I have honors convocation today. I graduate tomorrow. Literally 24 hours from now. I'll be graduating college. This is nuts.
The way things change.
Guys, it's our last night before graduating. We graduate in the morning. Oh,
I'm so sad.
and the sunset was beautiful today. They knew.
My favorite college memory is when I dropped my purse in the store.
My favorite college memory was going to Destin with campus outreach for spring break.
My favorite college memory was studying abroad.
My favorite college memory is debriefing at the local Mexican restaurant or the library.
One of my favorite college memories was traveling through Europe last summer.
You're on.
Hi, we're graduating tomorrow. Here I am with some of my favorite college memories. First off, I think just starting off freshman year in the movie rooms.
I have something to say. Oh, you go first.
It's graduation day.
How lucky am I to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard?
Time to go and graduate.